Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast where we help you practice English for real life. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Thank you so much for listening today. Whether you're walking, cooking, cleaning, or just relaxing, we're happy to spend this time with you.
Today's topic is a very useful one, and maybe a little personal too. We're asking this question. If I could change one thing about my day, what would it be?
Yes, it's something we all think about. Maybe you want to wake up earlier, or spend less time on your phone, or save more money during the day.
Exactly. Sometimes we don't like part of our routine, but we don't know how to change it.
So today, Anna and I will share one thing we want to change, why we want to change it, and a small goal we can try. Starting tomorrow.
And as always, we'll explain useful vocabulary. We'll ask you some questions too, to help you speak and think in English.
Also, don't forget, you can download the free PDF transcript and worksheet for this episode. Check the link in the description.
All right, are you ready to think about your daily life?
Let's begin.
Okay, Ben, let's begin. If you could change one thing about your day, what would it be?
I think about this often. Honestly, I want to change how I react when I feel angry or stressed.
Oh, really? Like what kind of situations?
For example, when I wait for the bus and it's late, at first I feel okay, but after 5-10 minutes, I start to feel frustrated. My body feels tense, my face feels hot, and my patience disappears. And then, when the bus finally comes, my whole mood is already bad.
I know that feeling. It's just a bus, but it can ruin your whole morning.
Exactly. Or another example, when someone speaks to me in a rude way. Maybe they don't say thank you, or they cut in line at the store. I get upset quickly. Later I think, why did I get so angry about something so small?
So what you want to change is stay calm in these small situations.
Yes. Stay calm. Don't let one little thing control my emotions for the whole day.
That's a really good change. Okay, for me, I want to change how I spend money during the day.
Oh? You mean shopping at the mall?
Not really big shopping. More like small things, coffee, snacks, or sometimes I see something cute online and buy it quickly. In the moment, I feel happy. But later, when I open my bank app, I think, oh no, where did all my money go?
I understand. Small things add up fast.
Yes, exactly. One coffee, one cookie, one online order, and suddenly my wallet feels empty. I don't want to waste money. I want to save for something more special, like a trip or a nice dinner with my family, or even helping my parents.
That makes sense. So your change is spend less on little things and save for the future.
Yes, and honestly, it's not just about money. Buying snacks all the time is not healthy. Too much sugar, too much coffee. If I buy less, I'll also feel healthier.
So, your change is about money and health. My change is about patience and emotions.
Two different goals, but both important.
Listeners, how about you? If you could change one thing about your day, what would it be? Take a moment and think. You can even say your answer out loud right now.
Spend money. It means use money to buy things. For example, I don't want to spend money on snacks every day.
Wallet. It means small case for money divided by cards. Example, he opened his wallet and saw only one coin inside.
Bank app. It means phone app to check money. For example, I check my bank app to see my balance.
Add up. It means small amounts become big. For example, these small snacks add up quickly.
Frustrated. It means upset, not happy. For example, she felt frustrated when the bus was late.
Patience. It means ability to stay calm. For example, learning a language takes patience.
Stay calm. It means not get angry. For example, he tried to stay calm when the line was long.
save for the future. It means keep money for later. For example, I want to save for the future and travel abroad.
Okay, now let's talk about why we want to make these changes. Why is it important to us?
Good question. For me, when I feel angry or upset, I notice that my energy drops. I stop enjoying the things around me. I feel tired. My shoulders feel heavy. Even my face feels tense.
Yes, your whole body can feel stress, not just your mind.
Exactly. Stress is not only in the head, it's in the body too. But when I stop, take a deep breath, and think before I react, everything feels different. I feel calmer, I feel more in control. And I even feel a little proud of myself because I didn't let a small problem ruin my whole day.
That's a great point. When you stay calm, you can enjoy your day more.
Yes, I don't want one small problem like traffic or someone being rude to control my whole mood. Life is too short for that.
I agree. Okay, for me, it's all about saving money and feeling smart with my choices.
Tell me more.
Well, I don't want to waste money on small things, snacks, coffee, or shopping just because I'm bored. When I do that, I don't feel happy later. Instead, I think, oh, I could have saved that money. I would rather save it and use it for something special, like travel, a nice dinner with friends, or even helping my family.
Yes, that makes sense. Spending money on things that really matter feels so much better.
Exactly. And honestly, it also helps my health. Buying snacks all the time is not good for me. If I eat a cookie every afternoon or drink too many sweet coffees, my body doesn't feel good.
Yes, cookies every day is not the best diet.
Nope. So for me, it's not only about saving money, it's also about feeling healthy, feeling strong, and feeling proud of my decisions.
That's a really positive reason, Anna, and I think many people listening can understand. Wanting to feel calm and wanting to save money and stay healthy, these are very common goals.
Yes. And when we know why we want to change, it's easier to stay motivated. So, what about you? Why do you want to change something in your day?
Think about your own reason. And don't forget, share it with us in the comments.
Energy drops. It means feel less strong or active. Example, after working all day, my energy drops.
In control. It means can manage something. For example, she feels in control when she plans her day.
Waste money. It means use money in a bad way. For example, don't waste money on things you don't need.
Helping my family. It means giving support or money. For example, he works hard for helping his family.
Healthy diet. It means good food choices. For example, a healthy diet includes fruits and vegetables.
Motivated. It means ready to act, want to do something. For example, she felt motivated to exercise every morning.
So now, let's talk about small, simple goals. What can we try tomorrow to help us change?
Okay, I'll go first this time. My small goal is, when I feel stressed or angry, I will stop, take a deep breath, and then count to 5 before saying or doing anything.
Nice. Just breathe first.
Yes. That small pause helps me respond, not just react. If I take a little time, my brain has space to think. And maybe later, I can also write about it in a journal like, today I felt angry when the bus was late, but I waited, I breathed, and I stayed calm. Writing helps me see my progress.
That's a really great idea. It's like you give yourself a short break.
Exactly. A small step, but it makes a big difference.
Okay, for me, my small goal is to bring my coffee from home in the morning. And I'll bring a healthy snack too, maybe some fruit or nuts or even a small sandwich.
Sounds good. No more cafe coffee every day?
Not every day, maybe just once a week as a little treat, but not every single morning, because honestly, That's expensive.
So your goal is bring coffee and a snack and save money at the same time.
Exactly. And also, I'm going to write down what I spend each day just for 1 week. That way, I can see where my money really goes. Sometimes I forget small things, but when I write them, I notice the pattern.
That's a really good habit. You can see it clearly on paper or in your phone, and then it's easier to change.
Yes, and I think that's the key. Small goals are easier to do. If we try to change everything at once, we usually feel tired and we stop. But if we start small, we can keep going.
I agree. Like my goal just to breathe and count to 5. That's simple. And your goal to bring coffee and snack from home. That's simple too.
Right, so both of our goals are realistic and small.
Yes. And listeners, remember, you don't have to change everything at once.
Just choose one small thing and start tomorrow.
And don't forget, share your small goal with us in the comments. We'd love to hear it.
Respond. It means answer in a calm way. For example, he didn't react, he tried to respond politely.
React. It means answer too fast, without thinking. Example, don't react angrily, think first.
Journal. It means a notebook for writing feelings. For example, she writes in her journal every night.
Progress. It means improvement, moving forward. For example, his English progress is very clear.
Healthy snack. It means good food, not junk food. For example, she brought a fruit as a healthy snack.
Expensive. It means costs a lot of money. For example, eating out every day is expensive.
Realistic. It means possible, practical. Example, set a realistic goal for this week.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. Click the subscribe button and stay updated with our latest episodes.
Okay, listeners, now it's your turn.
Take a moment and think. What's one thing you want to change about your day?
Why do you want to change it? And what is one small goal you can try tomorrow?
Say your answer out loud, even if you're alone. Speaking helps your brain learn faster.
And here's your challenge. Listen to this episode again. Try to write down 5 useful words or phrases.
Then write 3 full sentences about yourself. For example, I want to stop staying up late. I feel tired in the morning. My goal is to go to bed at 10 p.m.
That's great practice. Thanks so much for listening to Everyday English Talk.
We hope today's episode gave you ideas for your own life and maybe inspired you to try a small change tomorrow.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please share it with a friend or tell us in the comments what you thought.
And remember, you can download the free transcript and practice exercises to study more.
Keep learning, stay positive, and don't forget,
small steps make a big difference. See you next time. Bye.